Alrighty, today I thought I'd make a video about our chicken moving process. So I'm here, built this feed station. I've got more IBC tanks. I'm gonna cut holes in the top, and then we'll use these as like a silo. Basically, this will be filled with bulk feed. It's on its way, so we're getting by with bags of Tractor Supply feed right now. My buckets all have wandered away, so I'll go grab a bucket and then we'll go down to the meadow. So right now we're moving the chickens every third or fourth day, twice a week. While they're young, we're gonna bump it up to every other day when they're fully grown and laying. So yeah, we basically just move them around this meadow down here, give them something to scratch and peck at, fertilize the field, and then we move them off and let the grass rest and grow back. Cheaper than fertilizer, and we get eggs out of the deal. So we should be ready to go to the farmers market in June or July with our organically fed, pasture raised eggs. Here you can see this is an old ditch that I have gotten water in. What's up? Kids are coming to help. We got water down on this meadow. This has been a dry meadow for 20 years. So with water on it and chicken poo fertilizer, we should be having a lot more growth this year, and we might get some cows on it towards the end of the summer. But yeah, basically we're just gonna pull the electric fence off, pull the ground out, drop all the fences, drive the coop forward, and then reset the fence. So ideally I would, birds are loud. Ideally I would keep them locked up in their coop and then just drive them all with them in it, but it's worked fine just to feed them where we're going and then move the fence around them. So here we go. All right, so they're fed now. So now I will take down the electric fence. Okay, there's the fence down. And then if I'm lucky and I don't get snagged on anything, I should just be able to drag it forward and then set it back up, because the rolling it up part is the most annoying. So we'll fire up the quad, roll this baby forward, and we'll be good to go. Looks like these guys already ate all their food. So looks like they found out I don't have food, so they're back to clean up the rest. I do put a jack on this to take some of the pressure off the quad suspension. Yee. Okay, so nice.
So now, 4 white eggs. 4 white eggs. You can put 1 egg in every pocket. Or I can put 2.
Okay, that's the fence all up. Chickens are happy, they've got water. I'm just plugging in, turn on the electric fence, hold on it. So here we're just plugging in the ground, and then the hot, and then turn it on the fence. And that's it, chickens are moved in under 20 minutes. Not bad.